Today I finally got Ururun Wolf, and it's time to test her in chapter 3 at just Japan, cause yeah. All right, so let's see what does her ability look like. Do it. Worker startup level. Let's go. I wanna see what she. Ooh, wow, she got some pretty good looking stats right there. That's a pretty good looking thing. Uh-oh. Mineko, go! There we go. Is she fast? Is she the fastest unit or not? She is very expensive. There she is. Whoa. Look how cool that is. She's pretty slow. Kinda wanna speed up. Oh, now she's fast. Whoa, look at that. Whoa, she zapped. Oh, wait. Yo, that's pretty cool. No way. And, oh, she's a bit faster. Let's go. Yeah, I want you to defeat that base, bro. Valkyrie on the run. Get him, lads. It's the special lined up. Nah, just kidding. Get him, lads. Oh, wait, what? How much damage does she do? What kind of damage is that? Bzz. Oi! I'm pretty sure she didn't like that. Huh? How is that not even hitting? Valkyrie cat. You literally have a blind spot, bro. Alright.